Okay, welcome.
Thank you very much.
What are your impressions about the event so far?
I think it's a wonderful event because we had the chance to speak with people we don't know already, and so there's a situation in which you can have the opportunity to meet people and to explain how your country can work for them.
Okay, so what do you think are the emerging opportunities in your market about like mobile gaming or video content?
As I told before, Italian market is not so prepared about mobile advertising because we started to do this and to have a real selling proposition since 1 year and a half. And I think that AdColony is one of the best solutions because they can give us the opportunity to give our clients and our media agencies the chance to make them understand how to perform in a better way in the mobile advertising.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you too. Bye. See you.